There are moments in life you never plan for, moments that arrive suddenly and change everything. A loss, a disruption, an uncertainty you weren't prepared for. And in those moments, what you need most is clarity. Someone who understands what you're going through, someone who knows what needs to be done. At United Public Adjusters, we are there when it matters most, not just as professionals, but as advocates. We step into complex situations and bring structure to the chaos. We handle the details, the documentation, the negotiations, so you can focus on what truly matters, moving forward. Because we know this isn't just about property, it's about people, it's about stability, security, and rebuilding with confidence. Every claim we handle is treated with the urgency and attention it deserves. Every client we represent is given a voice that cannot be ignored, and every outcome we pursue is driven by one goal: to secure what's rightfully yours. United Public Adjusters, standing with you when it matters most.